I have taken few designs before it and now make a new shape on that surface. So let's go to the other shape. Again we will make an elliptical shape here and change the design of the border, and again make the further shape. It's a round rectangular shape. There we have this type of shape as well. Now again create the shape within it, but it's not clearly visible, so we will change its pattern and use the elliptical shape. So for that purpose we will use these shapes again. That's it.